Don't see this. Hey everyone, welcome to this unboxing of, to borrow a term from Lazy Game Reviews, this oddware USB 2.0 docking station with video. Claims to add ports to your laptop using just one cable, and quite honestly, looks utterly horrible. It looks utterly horrible. I mean, works with almost any laptop, according to the box. Connect all peripherals to the docking station, then connect the laptop to the dock with just one cable. I'm interested to see how this works. Economic alternative to expensive proprietary docking stations. Got some system requirements. 16 megabytes of RAM. I don't think I have that. One available USB Type-A downstream port. Windows 98 or later. I'm glad it at least says USB 2.0. Let's open. A box within a box within a box. What did I tell you? Another box. Nope, nope, no, it's just a cover. It's not another. They did not lie. It technically is, let me see. Looks to be one cable to hook it up. So it's VGA, and there's a USB. Where's the other end of the USB?
I say there's no other end to the USB. Take a look at this.
Simply says USB to VGA LAN dock. Now, let me just remind everyone, this is not a new product. This is something I found at a Goodwill, and I thought it looked hilarious. Or it could be funny to... Oh, gotta love that. See now, when I first saw it, I thought this was infrared. It's kind of got these clear things on the side. I mean, if it was infrared, I'd call it a port, but it's... Maybe it lights up, I don't know. And actually, the front looks kind of bluish like that as well, so maybe that lights up too. So on the front here, we've got, I'm going to just take a guess, VGA, I'm guessing also that USB in, green PS2 port, purple PS2 port, 1, 2, 3 USB 2s on the back, VGA output, space for the power brick, parallel port, serial port, Ethernet port, however it's only 10/100, so you're not getting your gigabit speeds. We've got a cables to go driver disc, and the model numbers on here as well, which can't use. Sunny Computer Technology I don't know why I'm reading the power brick, but it's a power brick.
It's a
And
really nice power brick, isn't it?
yeah. Holy cow! Okay, this thing goes all the way up to Vista. Maybe it is relatively new. Well, jeez. Well, if it goes up to Vista...
Let's test it.
Okay. Let's... Jeez. Louder noise much? So it's installing drivers for about 5 or 6 different things. Device, USB to PS2 adapter. That makes me happy because I've got to try my Model M out with this. Solving a problem I never really had. USB receiver, that's the one for the Logitech. It works so far. Hang on though. USB to serial COM port has an issue. So it doesn't work exactly perfect. But I want to go through this and see what I have for new. Devices, mice. Network adapters. A6 USB 2.0, the fast Ethernet adapter. That's the 10100 on here. What else have we got? Parallel port? Maybe? Some devices? No. Software devices? No. So the parallel port, I don't have anything that uses a parallel port except a zip drive. But what I was really hoping would work, and at least seems to have come up with a driver for, is these 2 PS2 ports, which are handy if you have older keyboards or mice you want to use on a newer laptop. It's not going to have your PS2 ports. So, what I was really hoping for with this, which actually does really seem to work well, is, well, I at least seem to have found a driver, is what I mean. It's the PS2 ports. Most laptops of a modern age are not going to have integrated, PS2 ports, because most people now use mice, use keyboard that are USB. Right there's a driver, standard PS2 keyboard. I suppose even if I don't have anything hooked to it, you'd have to have the driver, which just means the port's ready and willing to accept a signal. A test of a PS2 keyboard on the cables to go laptop dock. It functions as advertised. Features here are the PS2 ports. If you have a keyboard, if you have an older USB PS2 keyboard that you want to hook to your laptop, and your laptop more than likely doesn't have PS2 ports, this might be the route for you to go. Could probably see if we could pop a link in the description if there's any of these available for sale, if anyone's interested. I will say, doesn't seem to have a proper driver, is the USB to serial COM port. Updating the driver and see if searching for it online will do it. The best drivers for your device are already installed. That's very helpful.
Well, are you sure you're not going to need this?
Because I don't have a CD-ROM, but I'm sure the drivers are available online, and it does physically detect, and it gives me full options for the port. USB to serial port, driver date, March 3rd, 2017. It says it's there. Requires further installation. Well, who knows? think that about covers it.